Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into DecktoGPT, the AI-powered co-pilot inside Decktovis that takes your presentation game to the next level. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, click on Create with AI. This is where the magic happens. Now, just type in the topic of your presentation. It can be anything: business proposals, marketing strategies, or even a school project. You also have the option to choose from the given prompts. The more specific you are, the better results you'll get. You can import a document by clicking on the attachment icon in any step before generating your deck. Once the outline is created, you can tweak it to your liking and continue to chat with Deckto to customize it even better. You can change the slide order, add more slides, or remove the unwanted slides. You also have the option to change the outline slide by slide. DecktoGPT gives you the option to make the slides further customized and specific. Then, click on Continue with Theme Selection and choose the theme you'd like to use in your deck. And DecktoGPT will create an entire presentation with structured slides, relevant content, all in seconds. No need to start from scratch. Once your deck is generated, you can move on to your editing page and see the result or make the necessary changes. That's it. Enjoy presenting with Decktovis.